Hello and welcome to another cryptocurrency market update after market closed on 29th of June. So here's we'll be checking with GBTC, which is the investment trust for Bitcoins. They're accumulating it over time, which is hopefully going to smooth out the volatility, but it's still early days in all this. But anyway, what I was looking at this chart here was this $10 line that really must be maintained. It's a long-term support line, and it broke. It did not do what I was hoping it to do. Bitcoin went down. I was giving it the benefit of the doubt actually, because as this blue line here crossed that red line, technically that was just a bad sign, which I commented on weeks ago actually, saying not a good technical sign, but if we can just hold on to that 10 level there might be hope. But it didn't. It broke that. So price of and it's interesting because as I'm looking at the price of Bitcoin, about 6,355, it's holding around that low sixes level, whereas this GBTC has broken that. So this is going to be a good test of whether this is a good chart to watch for. But in any case, this is not a healthy condition. It's below its average. And if I look at the Stockfolio app of it, this is the actual currency, and there's Bitcoin. It's just on a downwards trend. It's trending below its 200-day. Ethereum, which is the other one, it's not looking too healthy either. And there's Ripple sloping below. Litecoin, similar thing. And Stellar hanging in there. Dash, which I've not been a big fan of, looking weak again. And KuCoin, the artificial intelligence one, that there's an early opportunity there. It's just flat, so at least it's not down, which is a sign of strength actually when everything else is going down. And the other one I've been commenting on, which is relatively new, is NEO, and there it's on a downwards trend, but not as bad as the others. EOS has been it boomed up quickly shortly after mentioning it up there, and now it's come down again. But it's not as badly as affected as you can see. So those are the stronger ones. But the flag carrier for the whole cryptocurrency complex is Bitcoin. It's definitely looking sick. Let's look at other things going on. If I look at all the cryptocurrency sort of league table here, and there you can just see, there's just not as much money in it. Really, people aren't. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's the league table. There's just the money isn't going in for some reason. So I don't know what the reason why. It just is what it is. Remember, it's not just cryptocurrencies, it's blockchain generally is the story here, and it's going to have many twists and turns. But right now, the main being in cash is an investment. So it's not always just a one-way street. And the message I think here is look, could be saving some time and keeping some powder dry right now and not accumulating much more, because the Bitcoin definitely looks like it's violated an upwards trend there, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens next. There's a lot of support there around somewhere around 7 or 8, something like that. But the currency itself is holding around 6,350, so it's sort of watch this space, but definitely I will not be adding any more. And that's really an important thing to know as this thing unwinds, when to hop in, when to hop out, and that's where it is this week. So I will speak to you next time.